yesterday, and depending on requirement, it will be done subsequently. Today, the patient is having a little bit temperature, somewhere around 102, and the team has consulted AIIMS Delhi, and they have advised to send the culture sensitivity report and continue the same treatment.
Stable, now patient is stable?
Patient is critical and stable.
Patient is critical, patient is in life support and mechanical ventilator. And 24 hours, we have, starting from the initial day, we are giving these 3 ionotropes at the high pressure level. With this only the blood pressure we are able to maintain. But 3 ionotropes is going on, so patient is critical.
And today all the doctors' teams have meetings.
We have a committee. We inspected the patient. We saw the parameters. We saw that with these 3 ionotropes, the BP is maintaining with 120. So with these ionotropes, we are going to continue the same treatment.
You contact the Delhi AIIMS, how they are?
We have contacted Delhi with